This is the cheesiest garlic bread. Now we're making the Tangzhong. We're gonna add our water, milk, flour. Now we take it off the stove. Add the flour, milk, yeast, sugar, butter, eggs, or Tangzhong, salt. We're gonna mix this all. Our yeast and our milk and our sugar mixture. Take out all your energy. Oh yeah. This is what you get for last Tuesday. Now you're just gonna make it into a ball, put it in your bowl, cover that up for 15 minutes. Looks great. So we're just gonna knead that again. Make sure that it's nice and soft. We're gonna let this rise for about an hour and a half.
One hour later.
We're gonna divide this into 12 pieces. So we're gonna take a butter tray, we're gonna put our dough, our rolled dough, and then we're gonna let this rise for 1 hour. Okay, we're gonna add some cream cheese. We're making the filling for our garlic bread. We're gonna add our cream cheese. Half a bundle of green onions, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of garlic. Then we're gonna mix. Okay. 1.5 cups of butter, 12 tablespoons of Tangzhong, 3 tablespoons of garlic, 5 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, pinch of salt, dash it. We're gonna melt this in the microwave.
A few moments later.
We're gonna crack 3 eggs into our butter parmesan mixture. Coat it with some egg wash and place it in the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees.
Twenty minutes later.
Now we're going to take our bread out of the oven. We're going to cut our bread. Not going to cut it all the way through. We're just going to cut it into sections. Okay. Then we're going to take our cream cheese and then we're just going to pipe it between each section. We're going to continue the process for all of our rolls. Okay, we're gonna take now our dinner rolls and we're gonna dip it in our egg garlic mix, like so. We're gonna place it on our tray. Look at that, it looks so cute. It looks like a little pumpkin. Ooh, what if it's a pumpkin? I feel like it'd be great in the fall. Get it all coated in our garlic mixture. We're gonna bake this for 20 minutes at 180 degrees or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
20 minutes later.
There you have it, our garlic bread. Look at it, looks so delicious.